Hello designers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. It's me, AZ. Today I'm going to show you how to create an attractive logo like this. This video will come in two parts. The first one is here, it will be done on Photoshop, and the second one will be come on next Monday, and it will be a motion graphic which is done on Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't want to miss the update of that video, please subscribe this channel. And without noticing my background and my sweaty face, let's get started.
So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out.
First, take a square shape artboard. Its resolution is on the screen. Now I'm going to add a map. This one is the first part and this one is the last part. Let's just adjust the size. Now we need subject. I already separate her from the background. Now copy and paste her. Place her properly on the map. We need shadow. Create a separate two layers. Take brush tool and black color. Draw a shadow. Reduce the opacity and take the eraser tool to remove the unwanted part. Now create a group of lady and shadow like I created with the map. Now take the pen tool with shape version. Fill color is none. Stroke white with 4 pixel and dotted stroke. Now we are going to make an aeroplane track on the map. Draw it very carefully, so take your time. Now we need a plain PNG. I already have it. Place it properly on the track. We also need a plain PNG. Copy and paste it here, then place it properly. I think this is okay. Okay, now it's typography time. I use Amsterdam font. Its link in the description. Again, copy and paste it here. We need logo. Unfortunately, we don't have it. But we have Google.
Yes, exactly.
Let's find out the right logo. I believe this one is the chosen one.
You are the chosen one! What the fuck are you talking about?
Download it and edit it on Photoshop. Just remove the white background using Magic Wand tool. Place the logo properly and adjust everything again if you need it. I think I should recheck it again. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's it for today. What do you think about this video? And if you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And what kind of video you want to see in the future, please let me know in the comment section. I'm always active there. And this is a special upload video, and I always upload this video every week on Monday. So subscribe this channel and check it on Monday. And I also upload shorts in random days. You can also check that. And you can also follow me on other social medias. Links are in the description. And 2 videos are shown on the screen. I hope you will like it. Please. So this is for today. See you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and most important, keep designing.